So we found a lot of sea rest and switchbacks at the hiker box here in Irwin. Picked up a sit pad and a little part of a sleeping pad underneath, and it makes a full sleep pad with it. But I'm gonna go weigh my pack and see what it's like. So we have 5 days food on here. We'll see what we're working with. 32 is not bad for 5 days food, and picked up sleeping pad. We're here on the Nolichucky River and we're taking the ferry boat across. We're here on the pirate ship. That's true. It's April 28th and we just crossed the Nolichucky River, and we're slack packing today, so they're gonna drop off our packs in 24 miles, or in 20 miles. We just have packs for the day filled with food and water, anything we'll need in a pinch. Approaching the part of the trail we'll have to take a detour off of the AT because of all the damage from Hurricane Helene. As you can see, it's pretty bad here and they're working their way through it. So it's still closed about a mile up, and we'll have to take a detour along another trail that they just made. Last night we got into camp around 6, total mileage of 25 miles. Today we're going another 14 and a half, just past the Hurricane Helene bypass, and the destruction there, the destruction that Helene's done here is just unimaginable. It's really hard to even describe. I show you guys the videos, but it doesn't even do it justice. Like, some of these places on the trail are just straight lumber fields, and they had to bulldoze a lot of trees out of the way just because so many in a row were just over the trail. There was about a 5-mile detour that went around the actual trail because they are still working on it. Shout out to the ATC. And shout out to the U.S. Forest Service, and thank you to all the maintainers in that area. We know it's been a lot of hard work, and we really appreciate you. None of this hiking would be possible without your hard work and dedication to the trail. But yeah, beautiful day today. I believe we're gonna see a collapsed shelter that was storm damage from Helene. If I get the chance, I'll show you guys. That's at Roan Mountain. We'll be hitting it on about mile 9 today. So other than the first 170 miles of the trail, we have been on pretty much the North Carolina-Tennessee border, just zigzagging between the two states for the past 250 so miles, and we only have about 40 miles left until we finally leave North Carolina for good. Then about another 50 miles before we leave Tennessee for good. So we're closing in on Virginia. This is Cloudland Hotel. This is a spot on the mountain here where there used to be a hotel. And in Pisgah National Forest. See it on Round Mountain. We're here at Roan Mountain Shelter. The shelter is the highest elevation shelter on the AT. And we are not staying tonight because it is closed due to being structurally unsound, which I'd say so. Yeah, pretty cool spruce tree shelter. Today is April 30th. It is, I think, day 44 or 45, somewhere around there. Last night we stayed at the Stan Murray shelter. I believe it's probably the last shelter we'll stay at in North Carolina. There's one more. I think it's called Over Mountain Shelter, but I don't think we're staying at that shelter. So I think we're leaving North Carolina today, and pretty excited about that. About to have 2 states in the bag, and then another probably a week or so, and then we'll have 3 states done. Tennessee will be done too, so really excited for the next couple days. Tentative plan today is gonna go about 13.5 miles. It'll be 14.1 because I have to make a detour to go to a hostel, but we don't know if that's where we're gonna stay. We're kind of all going our own plans now, and just going with what our legs are saying. So might do more, might do less. We'll see what's calling me today. We'll see. See how we're feeling, see how sore we are, but I'm not feeling that sore, and we've been doing some high mileage lately, so I don't know. They keep talking about these trail legs that's supposed to show up and you just start flying up these mountains. I think I might be starting to feel it. We'll see. Might try some back-to-back 20s and see how that treats my legs. Going to Humboldt. We're at the North Carolina border. This is the last time we will be exiting North Carolina. The entire AT. One more state to go. No more North Carolina. I guess I can technically say that I've been to North Carolina and Tennessee more than 26 times or something like that. It's an interesting thing. Just kind of Boop, 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 boop. Between the state lines. We are now officially out of North Carolina. Can say goodbye to that state and move on to Tennessee, finishing it up. So I lost my spoon. Makes it kind of hard to eat soupy things without a spoon. But yeah, I am now walking an extra half mile to get to a hostel. So I have a spoon before I get to town in 2 days. So might even get a burger too. Apparently there's sometimes a food truck there. So we'll see. Mountain Harbor Hostel just to get a spoon. Approaching the 400-mile mark. 400 miles, baby. 400 miles in the bag. I have about 0.6 left in my hike. It'll put me at like 16.6 today. If you can hear it, the storm's brewing. So I believe the plan is to camp up there using this little side trail. I've heard it's quite the hike, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, they weren't lying. It's been quite a hike. Wow. This is camp for the night with thunder in the background. Just chilling here at camp. We're at Jones Falls and I'm at the top of the falls and it's thunderstorming around me and I got a river running through camp.